This infusion containing the antibiotic Augmentin saves many lives. It's the first choice in treating pneumonia. But Augmentin supplies are running low because of production problems. This is not the first time there's been lack of supplies. Shortages are becoming commonplace. But now, experts from the Federal Office for National Economic Supply are getting worried.
We're talking
about a blockbuster medicine. It's used daily in hospitals. But now there's hardly any of it left on the market.
The warehouse at Basel University Hospital. This may seem like a large supply, but it'll only last a few weeks. Doctors are looking for alternative treatments, but if the Augmentin really does run out, there's no perfect solution.
This would force us to use antibiotics with an even broader spectrum, or backup antibiotics, and we would have problems because of people developing a resistance to these drugs.
Antibiotics are becoming a constant source of concern for the healthcare system, as there are often no alternatives. FELIX Schneuwly from Comparis, an internet company that compares healthcare offers, is not surprised by these developments.
It was to be expected because we've known for several years that too little research has been carried out into antibiotics, so there's a limited choice of different medicines. Sooner or later, that has to lead to shortages.
Swiss TV asked branch specialists whether the lack of research into developing new antibiotics was profit-motivated. Drugs like Augmentin are in big demand, but are hardly money spinners.
It's true that there is more pressure on prices for this sort of medicine, so there's less interest than there would be in a very specific type of treatment, say for cancer.
Branches of the industry that benefit from state-guaranteed prices and big companies that enjoy great results every year could be expected to carry out research in areas of business that are less lucrative.
We mustn't forget that developing and licensing a new drug takes at least 10 years and costs at least 1 billion francs. So that puts the industry under tremendous pressure.
It also puts hospital personnel under pressure. Effective alternatives are urgently needed to the current treatments.
Last week, we realised that we only had enough supplies to carry on treating patients in our usual way for 1 week. So we tried to come up with the best possible alternatives for treating pneumonia or bone infections, according to medical indications, and not just concentrating on a single antibiotic.
But in the medium term, there's only one solution: the development of new antibiotics.